very far.
Is it over there?
No.
They just one park.
Wait, where are we going?
Maya.
How much is your budget?
501.
1,500. We have bus free ride from North Station to Mall of Asia. Laki ng tiyan. That's great.
Look, I can still see the train from above.
Bye-bye, train.
Bye-bye, train. Bye-bye, train. I can't believe I saw the train out.
Oh, let's go.
Yeah, but why is there wheels instead of gears?
Because it's big. Don't cut the line. We're on the line. Ticket is 150 pesos for each person. Yeah, we're soon to ride the Ferris wheel. Tatlo po. Look! I'll go. Thanks. Ready? Are you ready?
Of course I'm ready.
How about Ate? Ate, are you ready?
Ready. Are you ready, Mommy?
Yes, I am. On your right, you will see the sea, the
Wait.
ship. Yeah, the ship. And then the sunset. Yes, that is ano. When you ride that ship, you will go to Bataan. A lot of people.
I can't count how many there are. I know. Hey, Mommy!
Yes.
I found something even better. That ship is connected to a wire that goes up and down. That would be even fun.
Look at the sea. You will see that later.
But we're high. I can see the sea.
It's nice. That ship is going to Bataan. Do you want to go next time? Nice, right? We are on top.
Yeah, but
We will go up. We are very, very high.
why is the Ferris wheel so slow?
Because it's a Ferris wheel.
I'm on top of the world, looking down on creation, and the only explanation I can find.
Uh-oh, Mommy.
Yes, po.
I'm on top of the world, looking
Like,
Welcome to the Philippines! Ay, mali pala. Welcome to SM Mall of Asia!
I see. Malapit na bumaba. O, tingnan mo.
We're going down now. We're going down. Giligan's Bikini Man. We're waiting for the table. Yummy. Ate, masarap to.
To the next. Go the next. Go the next.
Konti lang kasi share tayo, di ba? Ate, kumain ka pa. Ew! Aray ko. Nasa si Kobe. Ayun.
After dinner, we went for a short walk on the seaside.
One CD aside from like
Asa na si ate? Nakita mo na yung hinahanap mo?
Yeah, but it doesn't come with Lightning McQueen. We need to find Lightning McQueen.
Okay, go and find Lightning McQueen.
You stay here, and I'll bring.
How about that one? Look. This one. Is that the one?
Yes, that's Lightning McQueen. And it also needs Jackson Storm, but here it is.
What's your name?
Cody Joseph Seymour.
Wala nga Joseph Simon eh. Cody lang yan eh.
Cody.
Ayun. Si ate na. It's not your turn.
Look,